Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about how to unlock $500 monthly with this side hustle. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over in understanding side hustles and identifying your skills and interests. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's fast-paced economy, many people are seeking ways to boost their income, and one effective solution is through side hustles. A side hustle is essentially a flexible job or project that you can pursue alongside your primary employment, allowing you to tap into your skills and passions while earning extra cash. Imagine unlocking an additional $500 each month. This could significantly ease financial pressures, help pay off debt, or even fund that dream vacation you've been eyeing. With the rising cost of living and unexpected expenses, having an extra stream of income has never been more crucial. Side hustles not only provide financial relief, but also offer the freedom to explore your interests and develop new skills. The benefits of achieving financial independence are immense, from reducing stress to gaining the flexibility to make choices that align with your lifestyle. So let's dive into how you can start your journey toward unlocking that extra $500 each month through a side hustle. Understanding side hustles. A side hustle is a secondary job or project that individuals take on in addition to their primary employment. In today's modern work culture, where job security can be uncertain and living costs continue to rise, side hustles have become increasingly relevant. They offer a way for people to diversify their income streams and pursue their passions outside of their main job. There are countless types of side hustles available, ranging from freelance writing and graphic design to tutoring, ride sharing, or even starting an online store. The beauty of side hustles lies in their flexibility. You can choose when and how much you want to work, making it easier to fit into your busy schedule. Moreover, the potential earnings from side hustles can be significant. Many individuals find that they can earn hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars each month, providing a financial cushion and the freedom to invest in their dreams. Embracing a side hustle can truly transform your financial landscape. Identifying your skills and interests. To successfully embark on a side hustle journey, the first step is to assess your skills and interests. Start with some self-reflection. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you excel at. Are you a great writer, a talented artist, or perhaps a tech-savvy individual? Identifying your personal strengths and passions will help you find a side hustle that feels less like work and more like a fulfilling endeavor. Once you have a list of potential skills, it's essential to evaluate market demand. Tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and freelance job boards can provide insights into what services or products are currently sought after. This research will help you understand where your skills can meet market needs. Aligning your side hustle with your personal interests is crucial for long-term success and satisfaction. When you pursue something you love, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed, ultimately leading to greater financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Popular side hustle ideas. If you're looking to generate an extra $500 monthly, there are several popular side hustle ideas to consider. Freelance writing is a great option. Many writers earn between $50 to $150 per article, depending on their expertise and the publication. With a few articles each month, you can easily reach your financial goal. Tutoring is another lucrative side hustle, especially in subjects like math or science. Tutors can charge anywhere from $25 to $75 per hour, and with just a few sessions each week, you can quickly accumulate extra income. If you have a knack for graphic design, offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can also be rewarding. Many designers earn $30 to $100 per project, depending on complexity. When choosing a side hustle, it's essential to consider your own circumstances, including your skills, available time, and interests. Finding the right fit will not only help you achieve your financial goals, but also make the experience enjoyable. Setting realistic goals. When starting a side hustle, setting achievable goals is crucial for your success. One effective method is to use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to earn more money," you might set a goal to earn $500 in the next 3 months by completing 5 freelance projects. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. Tracking your progress is equally important. Regularly reviewing your goals allows you to see how far you've come and make necessary adjustments. If you find that a particular strategy isn't working, you can pivot and try something new, ensuring you stay on the path to success. Celebrating small milestones along the way can provide a significant boost to your motivation. Each time you reach a goal, no matter how small, it reinforces your commitment and encourages you to keep pushing forward. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate financial objectives. Marketing your side hustle. Effectively marketing your side hustle is essential to attract clients or customers and grow your business. One of the most important steps is to build a strong online presence through social media platforms. Create profiles on sites like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, where you can showcase your skills, share valuable content, and engage with your audience. Consistent posting and interaction can help you build a loyal following. Networking is another powerful strategy to connect with potential clients. Attend local events, join online forums, or participate in community groups related to your niche. Building relationships with others in your field can lead to valuable referrals and collaborations. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth referrals and testimonials. Encourage satisfied clients to share their experiences and recommend your services to others. Positive reviews can significantly enhance your credibility and attract new customers. By combining these marketing strategies, you can effectively promote your side hustle and achieve your financial goals. Managing time and resources. Balancing a side hustle with your main job can be challenging, but effective time management is key to success. Start by creating a schedule that clearly outlines your work hours, side hustle commitments, and personal time. This structured approach helps ensure that you allocate sufficient time to both your primary job and your side hustle without feeling overwhelmed. Prioritizing tasks is essential. Identify the most critical activities for your side hustle and tackle them first. Setting boundaries is equally important. Communicate your availability to friends and family to minimize distractions during your dedicated work time. To enhance your time management, consider using tools and apps like Trello, Asana, or Todoist. These platforms can help you organize tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. Additionally, using a calendar app can keep you on schedule and remind you of important deadlines. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage your time and resources, allowing your side hustle to thrive alongside your main job. Conclusion: in summary, side hustles offer a fantastic opportunity to boost your income with the potential to earn an extra $500 monthly. As we've discussed, identifying your skills and interests, setting realistic goals, and effectively marketing your side hustle are all crucial steps in this journey. By managing your time wisely and leveraging available resources, you can successfully balance your main job with your side hustle, paving the way for financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Now is the time to take action. Explore the various side hustle opportunities that align with your passions and skills. Whether it's freelance writing, tutoring, or any other venture, the possibilities are endless. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care